Hello, good morning everyone. Students, today I will teach you chapter 5 Nouns. Students, we know that nouns are the names of things, persons, places, animals and even ideas. And students, we also know this that we have different kinds of nouns, that is common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns and collective nouns. First we will read about common nouns. Common nouns give common names to persons, animals, places or things which are of the same kind. Examples of common noun: boy, city, girl and country. We can add more like month, day. These all are common noun. And what is proper noun? Proper noun gives special names to a particular persons, animals, space or things. Like example, Vishal, Delhi, Suman and India. We have list of common nouns and proper nouns in our book, that is country, boy, girl, river, month. These are example of common nouns. And India, Vishal, Richa, Ganges, January, these all are the example of proper nouns. Students, note that proper nouns begin with capital letters, means it always starts with capital letters. So you have exercise in your book that I will send in the campus care, exercise A and B. That in this exercise you have to choose common noun and proper noun. So you do it yourself and I will send these in campus care. So now let's start the abstract nouns. An abstract noun is the name of some quality, feeling or idea. We can only think of or feel it but can never touch or see it. Imagine you have two situations. In first situation, when your favorite team wins and when your mother scolds you. In the first situation you experience happiness, and in the second situation you experience sadness. Happiness and sadness are abstract nouns. They do not name any person, animal or thing. We cannot see or touch them but only think of them or feel them, since they name feelings and ideas. Similarly, we know that honesty and beauty mean, but we cannot touch or see them. When we talk about innocence of a baby, we do not see the innocence what we see in the baby, because innocence is a quality. So, an abstract noun is the name of some quality, feeling or idea, and we cannot see or touch it, but we can feel it. So, in the next page you have more examples of abstract nouns. The baby cried in pain. Fear of animals kept Sonali away from the zoo. Tell me the truth. In this sentence, pain, fear and truth are the abstract nouns. Abstract nouns, you have to remember this. Abstract nouns are usually used in the singular form. So exercise C, D, E, F, G. These are the exercises of abstract noun. You have to solve it and I will send these in campus care. Now come to the collective noun. It is the name of collection. Now read this sentence. He gave me a bouquet of flowers on my birthday. A flock of sheep was grazing in the field. The highlighted words are nouns, means bouquet and flock are the nouns. The nouns flock and bouquet these are collective nouns. So, a nouns that names a collection of persons, animals or things considered as one whole is a collective noun. You have some example of some collective noun. You have to learn this. A fleet of sheep, a string of pearls, a brood of chicks, a tuft of grass, a swarm of bees, a bunch of keys, a crew of sailors, a bundle of sticks, a team of players. You have to learn this. And exercise H, I, J are the exercises that you have to solve, and I will send solve exercise in the campus care. So do it. So this is all about today's class, today's videos lesson. So stay fit and healthy in home. Bye bye.